Hey guys, here working on the elevator assembly, step 5. We're only gonna cleco the elevator hinge bracket 1 to the elevator spar. Don't rivet, don't put the nuts and bolts in yet. Only cleco only for step 5. So I'll go ahead and do that real quick. For real-time updates on the build, please follow me on Instagram, brads_aviation_channel. Also follow my builder's blog at bradslingtsi.wordpress.com. Elevator assembly step 5 took 15 minutes to complete. Total build time so far is 49 hours 30 minutes. Please like this video. If you have any questions for me, leave it in the comments below. Subscribe and hit that bell so that you'll receive notifications. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.